So if AI can write code, fix bugs, and explain logic, then why the heck do we even need developers anymore? Is it game over for humans, or is there something deeper everyone's missing? Let's settle this AI versus developer once and for all. Yes, let's admit it, AI is insanely good right now. It can understand a problem, suggest logic, write code, fix bugs, and even explain its own answers. It's like having a junior dev who never sleeps. But here's what nobody tells you. AI doesn't know what you actually need. It has no real context. It doesn't understand your business goals, your customers' pain points, or real-world constraints unless you explain it clearly. And even then, it's guessing. Think about it. Google Maps gives you 5 routes, but you choose based on traffic, weather, or your vibe that day. Same with code. AI gives options, but judgment, that's yours. AI won't know if your customer wants speed over security. You will. AI won't ask, what tool does a freelancer need in 2025? Or, how do I make this app feel smoother for my users? That's your job, the developer, designer, product thinker. AI predicts. You invent. In terms of business awareness, the real-world constraints, budgets, edge cases, user empathy. AI doesn't get it. You do. AI is a tool. You're the pilot. We're not being replaced, we're evolving. AI is removing the boring, repetitive stuff, so we can think bigger, build faster, solve real problems. This is not the end of developers. This is the beginning of super developers. So, if you're wondering whether coding is dead in the age of AI, no, it's just getting an upgrade. Learn to use the tools, master the craft, and become the developer AI can never be. AI versus developer? Debate over.